fast as you can swallow.
Okay.
You're gonna take it out.
How do you know?
You've got that look in your eye.
Yeah. You chicken out. Get some stale sour cream and onions.
I thought I was gonna win that round too. I was like, ah, you're gagging. It was like the wings spread open again, and I was like,
oh God. Are you okay there?
I've eaten the whole bag.
God, I almost fell. You should be used to it now.
It's not a taste you get used to.
Well, I did better than you.